We collected the 12 unsung heroes of cheap IKEA home essentials that'll save time, promote organizing, and showcase style in the kitchen. Once your own space is stocked with these items, you'll see why they're so important. If you can't stand disorganized countertops, budget-friendly kitchenware is a staple at IKEA, but the kitchen organization might not be as well known. If that's the case for you, then don't forget about this plate holder. It'll keep your dinnerware neatly stacked while drying or organize a set of cutting boards. If finger foods are your favorite, this napkin holder is sure to come in handy during everyday meals or casual dinner parties. Given its lavender coloring and playful shape, you won't mind having it around either. If you're a farmer's market regular, these classic mesh bags aren't just chic, but they're also good for the environment. Use one for groceries and the other for whatever you please. They're versatile enough for anything. If you're constantly reaching for the higher shelves, a step stool is one of those items that only seems to come to mind when you're desperately trying to grab something perched on a high shelf. Save yourself the aggravation and think ahead by getting your hands on this Birch Stool now. If you follow recipes to a tablet, this sleek tablet stand with a bamboo veneer can keep gadgets and cookbooks away from the messes of cooking while making it easy to follow a recipe. In fact, having one might inspire you to whip up meals more often. If you're a frequent cocktail hour host, these cork coasters will protect surfaces from unsightly watermarks and can be easily wiped clean. If you take your coffee to go, keep this minimalist mint flask in mind for your leisurely morning coffees since it keeps hot liquids warm long after it's been filled. If cold beverages are more your thing, then this flask will chill them too. If your pantry is more organized than Khloe Kardashian's, it'll be easy to see what's inside your pantry when dry items are stored away in these clear jars. As we all know, nothing makes life easier than realizing you don't actually have to go to the store. If you're a seasoned baker, easily grab onto hot pans and dishes with this sleek oven mitt, which guards your hands against excessive heat. It's made of a dishwasher-safe material, so you can throw it in whenever necessary too. If you love sizzling steaks, aprons aren't only for the chefs you see on television or relatives handling food on Thanksgiving. When you think that a particular recipe is going to be messy, an apron will keep your clothes clean. It's one less thing to worry about.